A team of professional nature experts heads into a windswept canyon to demonstrate a realistic sequence for surviving a sudden blizzard. They swiftly erect a windproof snow wall shelter, trench a drainage line, and insulate with pine boughs while detailing temperature dynamics and safety checks. They then demonstrate improvised signaling using reflective sheets and ground-to-air visibility tactics, explaining legibility over distance. They purify water with a solar still and improvised filtration, showing essential steps in taste testing to avoid contaminants. The session ends with a field exit plan and gear choices, emphasizing practice drills and calm decision-making under pressure.